Hello, bright minds. Welcome to another enlightening episode on your favorite health hub, Brilliance. Today, we're venturing on a remarkable quest. A journey aimed at empowering you to enhance your health, beginning right at your gut. Indeed, you heard it correctly. The gut, frequently referred to as our body's second brain, plays an instrumental role in our general health. We're about to set sail on this fascinating journey to decode the mysteries of this intricate world within us. Are you geared up to unveil these 7 proven ways to improve your gut health? And there's an astounding secret about gut health, one that could significantly transform your life. But, of course, you'll have to stick with us till the end to find out. Let's embark on this captivating voyage together. Our first tip is an often echoed but under-followed mantra: maintaining a balanced diet. What's the gut health connection, you ask? Our gut houses a staggering number of bacteria, collectively known as the microbiome. A diverse diet fuels a diverse microbiota, vital for our gut health. So, try to bring an array of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily meals. Keep in mind, every vibrant plate is a step towards a healthier gut. Tip number 2 is about incorporating fermented foods. These natural probiotics are the VIPs in the mega party that is your gut. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha come brimming with good bacteria, nourishing your gut and boosting its health. So, the next time you're pushing your shopping cart, don't forget these VIPs. The third tip is deceptively simple: stay hydrated. Water, besides quenching your thirst, acts as a transport medium, aids digestion, and fosters the balance of good bacteria in the gut. Sound overly simplistic? Try it out. A few extra glasses of water each day can revolutionize how you feel. On to our fourth tip: get up and get moving. Regular exercise doesn't just cater to your abs or triceps. It stimulates the muscles in your gut and helps it stay in shape. So, be it yoga, running, or a brisk walk, remember, your gut loves to groove just as much as you do. Our fifth tip is crucial: managing stress. During stressful periods, our body enters the fight or flight mode, which can put a damper on our digestion and gut health. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or maintaining a gratitude journal can be wonderful allies in managing stress levels. Moving on to our sixth tip: limit antibiotics. While they are lifesavers in some situations, frequent use can disrupt your gut's bacterial balance. Remember, antibiotics should be a last resort, not the first line of defense. Always consult with your healthcare provider to make informed decisions. Last but definitely not least, is adequate sleep. You might wonder, what does sleep have to do with gut health? Our gut and brain share a unique connection. Lack of sleep can negatively impact this bond, leading to potential gut health issues. So, ensuring you get your beauty sleep isn't just for your skin, it's for your gut too. All right, brilliant minds, we've reached the end of our journey. But remember the secret I promised. Our gut isn't solely involved in digestion. It's intricately intertwined with our immune system, mood, mental health, skin conditions, and so much more. Astonishing, isn't it? Taking care of your gut health could be the secret key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace this new journey to health and let's bring about a change, one gut at a time. On this note, we conclude today's episode. But remember, health is a lifelong journey, and we're right here with you every step of the way. Stay tuned for our next video where we delve deeper into more health wonders. Until then, continue shining, keep being brilliant.